How to create Premiere Pro audio spectrum tutorial.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Once Adobe Premiere Pro CC has been loaded, locate and drag the video or the audio piece that you would like to transform and make or create an audio spectrum visual or effect. Locate the part of the clip or the video or audio. The next step is to go down under the project bin or the fourth option and click New Item and scroll down and click the fourth option which says Adjustment Layer and click OK. Slap on the adjustment layer or drag it onto your video timeline. Drag it to extend to the video or audio piece. Now select both the adjustment layer and music or video audio piece. Right click and click the option above Replace with Clip. Replace with After Effects Composition, as this will open up in Adobe After Effects CC. Click your adjustment layer and once selected or highlighted, go up to the top screen and click Layer and click New and then Solid, which is the second option. Don't worry about the settings, click OK. Once highlighted and selected your solid, go up and next to layer click Effect and scroll down until you see the option Generate and scroll down and click the third option, Audio Spectrum. As you can see, we have this, but there's currently nothing. With dot gray solid still selected or highlighted, go under to your effects control, audio layer, click the drop down arrow and click your audio piece that you like to use. Now if you go back to Adobe Premiere Pro, this is what we have. Or should I say this is the before? And this is the after.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.